Okay, we are back in the kitchen now. I'm gonna show you the final product of my oatmeal. This is the oatmeal in the morning, nice. And then, like I was mentioned to you before in another video, if I want to, just a little dash of honey. So that will be my breakfast, and it's really cool. And as you can see, it's a small breakfast, but if it works for me, so that is a right portion for me. Now, we have here, remember I mentioned to you one time in another video that I take my eggs with me to the gym? Well, we can use, let me get another spoon here. Okay, so here are the eggs. And these eggs are coming, I'm not eating them until after my workout. Why? Because after a workout of lifting weights, your muscles, they want that protein. And the best time to eat it is right after you finish your workout, within that window of 45 minutes. That's when you have your eggs. And sometimes, because you can tell I'm Latina, so I like spicy food sometimes. So sometimes I add a little bit of salsa, and it gives that little spicy taste. And we have here my eggs. Beautiful. And one other thing with your meals, when I cook, I love doing the things that I cook. Why? Because this is what's gonna be my nutrition. I cook with love, with excitement, happiness, you know. You don't cook your man with a negative attitude. So you cook nicely because that's what's gonna go inside your body. So here we cover that. That is my eggs for after my gym workout. For those muscles, they need good protein. The best source of proteins are eggs. Don't believe all the crap about eggs are bad for you. Eggs are excellent source of protein. They're good for you. Okay, let me have a drink. No, don't cut. Next, we got the eggs. We got the oatmeal. Another question that I get, do you eat fruits? Yes. I always have fruits in my home. Of course, as you can tell, I'm Latina, so my bananas always, and sometimes I take a banana to the gym. Like if I do cardio before, then right after the cardio I have quick energy, quick sweetness, so I take a banana. You have here nectarines or peaches, right? ¿Estos son peaches? Yeah. Right? Washington? Peaches. ¿Cómo se dice en español? Durazno. Durazno, peaches. Okay. Of course, a good source of fat, avocado. And then, this is excellent. This works for me, okay? I don't know about you, but remember, everything I share with you in social media, in my Instagram, and Facebook, here in my YouTube channel, are the things that work for me, that keep me healthy, vibrant, energized 24/7. You know, I rest, I go to sleep like a baby. What really works for me is watermelon. And watermelon has this quality that it helps you with inflammation, especially after you have a tough workout, you have you work hard, watermelon is fabulous. Después de un entrenamiento fuerte, la patilla es excelente. Tiene sustancias químicas de la composición de la patilla, que tiene elementos nutricionales que ayudan en contra de la inflamación. So I love eating watermelon right after my workout, especially when watermelons are in season, like right now, it's great. So another good tip is to eat your fruit, get the fruits that are in season. Like right now, the durazno, the peaches are in season. Of course, bananas almost are always in season. But I just wanted to share with you. And of course, in between my meals, I have, this is another big thing people ask me all the time. What do you have for snacks? Well, between my meals, I have my tea. And this tea is going to last me until 5 o'clock. Because my drink, I sip them. I don't inhale my drink, whether it's my coffee or my tea. The only time I inhale is my water when I'm working out. That's different. So we got here, so yes, I do have fruits. I eat fruit because fruits are good for me. I don't know about you. Anything in excess is bad. And the food that I eat, I mentioned in other shows before, are food from the Bible, food that are biblical food that are healthy for you. My philosophy is God created it, why would it be bad for me? You know? So yo no creo en esa teoría de que las frutas son malas. Dios las crea. ¿Cómo va a crear Dios cosas malas para la nutrición nuestra? Todo lo contrario. Which reminds me another thing. People ask me if I drink milk. Yes, I do drink milk. Do I have sweetener? Yes, I use honey. And sometimes I use sugarcane. In moderation. Because all these ingredients that I'm going to be sharing with you in these videos and future videos are food that I take from scriptures and traditional things that help people from ancient times. And how all of a sudden everything is bad for you, everything is bad for you. It's not bad for you because they want you to eat something else that is really not good for you. But anyway, stay with me, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel because we're going to be doing amazing videos about not only food but other surprises that we have for you. I said, wow, you say, wow,